Good morning, guys. So my hair is straight. So I'm going to be doing a vlog today. I wanted to incorporate vlogs into my channel as well. So as you can tell, my hair is straight. One of the girls at work straightened it for me and it's so nice. So yeah, I really like it. So I just got done eating breakfast. I made myself like a omelet, but I like scrambled the egg instead of like folding the egg like a omelet, I guess. Really good. And now I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna do the dishes because the dishes in the dishwasher are clean, and then there's dishes in the sink from what I just made. So I'm going to clean that up, and then we'll see what the day holds for us or me. Yeah, so I'll be back. So I've been sitting here trying to manage my money. So I've been realizing that I am kind of stuck in my, I don't know, like my financial status, I guess, because I'm spending too much money on little things that, I don't know, that add up to a whole bunch. So I'm trying to manage it in a way where I'm saving some money and then I'm also spending a little bit. So I'm giving myself a budget now instead of just spending, I guess. So I kind of calculated how much I make in a week, how much I make in a month, and then my bills that I have to pay. So like how much I'm left with after my bills. And then I gave myself like a limit spending, like a spending limit. So I could finally like reach my goal and like move out and things like that. So I know it's gonna be hard. It's gonna take some time, but I'm gonna do it. And then I also did it for my boyfriend so I could see how much, I don't know, the comparison of how much we make and like our goal basically. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm here by myself. My sister's gonna get home like at 12. My little sister gets out of school early today. It's a minimum day. So yeah, there's that. I think I'm gonna go to lunch with my boyfriend. I don't know if we're gonna go buy lunch because I am trying to manage my money and save, but I don't know if we should just go to lunch and just kind of set our plan out and everything and like not worry about it today. Like today's our last day to like eat out and stuff, because that's one of the big things. Like we spend a lot of money on food and going out to eat, just because if no one makes dinner at home, like if my mom doesn't make dinner, if there's nothing here to cook, or if his mom doesn't make dinner, then we're kind of stuck with like eating out. Or if they make something that like I don't really like or he doesn't really want. I'm more picky than him. He eats kind of anything, but me, like if someone makes something I don't really want, I'm like, I don't want that, so I will go buy myself something or something like that. So I need to stop doing that and stop being so picky and just eat what's at the house. And yeah, that's gonna be a little challenging because I love me some Wingstop and some crab legs. So I mean, that's gonna be like a specialty, but not once a month, or I don't know how often we eat out, but I'm trying to like cut it back because I know a lot of our money goes to food and I don't want that anymore. So yeah, I'm trying to manage my money. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and if it works for me, I'm gonna wait a couple months though, because I'm just telling you like my plan right now, and then see if it works, or if not, if something else works for me, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I'm just sitting here chilling. I did my makeup though, so yeah, so I'm not looking too crazy. Do I look different with my hair straight? So I'm actually going to incorporate vlogs in my channel. I want to incorporate vlogs and more of like fashion videos. You guys know I love fashion videos, but I want the fashion videos to be more like my style rather than, I don't know, like trendy styles, I guess, because I feel like a lot of people like more trendy styles, but I kind of want to incorporate my channel in like my style. I mentioned that to you guys one time, and yeah, I just think that's gonna be good for me. I mean, it's my channel. Obviously I should do my style. I'm trying to figure out my style because I didn't have I don't know, I was kind of stuck in between of what I wanted to wear and what I feel comfortable in. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure that out. And yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm just gonna post, and you guys are gonna go on this journey with me. So subscribe for more videos. I post at least once a week. I try to post twice a week if I can. I try to film. So honestly, I try to film on Tuesdays because I'm off, and then I try to film on Fridays because I go to work later. So I usually film in the morning. Yeah, so I film on Tuesdays, and then Friday. And then I try to like get the video out the next day. So on Tuesdays, I try to get my video out on Wednesday, and then on Friday, I try to get it out on Saturday. So Wednesday and Saturday are like my upload days. But I mean, it ranges depending on the video, how long it takes me to edit, or if I'm even able to edit that same night. Because on Fridays, I do go to work later, so sometimes I'm not able to film the video before I go to work. I mean, edit the video before I go to work. So that just depends. So that's why I don't have myself like on a set schedule, because I don't want to like tell you guys something and then you guys expect it and then it doesn't happen, you know. So yeah, I try to post like once or twice a week, but it's not like a scheduled upload, not yet at least. So yeah. So I'm here picking up my mans for lunch. My last time eating out for a while. I changed my shirt too, just to a plain black shirt. I don't know where we're gonna go. Yeah, so I'm picking him up right now. It usually takes a little while to come out. It is so hot. It's October 8th and it's freaking hot. Like it feels like summer still. What the heck? What's going on up in California? It's supposed to be cold already. Alright, so I just got up from a nap. I'm gonna start dinner. I'm gonna make some, it's like cream cheese and spinach stuffed chicken. So I've had it before, it's really good. My mom hasn't had it, so I'm going to make it for dinner. It's about like 4:20. My mom gets off at 4, and I think it takes about like 20 minutes to cook. And I'm not sure how long it takes to prepare. But I have to go wake up my little sister because she took a nap after school. I took like a small little 20-minute nap, I think. Yeah, my sister took a nap after school, so I have to go wake her up so she could start her homework before my mom gets home. So otherwise, my mom's gonna be yelling at her because she was supposed to do her homework when she got home at like 12. So yeah, that's the tea. And I'm gonna get a drink. Oh. Yeah, after I picked up my boyfriend, we went to get sandwiches, something light. So I'm gonna be able to eat dinner. We ate like at 2. And yeah, let's go pick up my sister. Actually, I need my glasses because I cannot see. Okay, so cooking show with Sheree. So we got some cream cheese, some garlic, and some baby spinach. So what I'm gonna do first, I let the cream cheese sit out for a little bit so it could get like room temperature. It'd be easier to like mush. I think I'm only gonna need 1 thing of cream cheese. Last time we didn't let the cream cheese sit out and it was hard to mush, so I'm hoping setting it out helps me a lot. Yeah, that's way easier. Maybe we should get a fork actually. I'm gonna set the cream cheese to the side. I think we only need 1. Cooking show. Did you? For what? a video. For my YouTube video. We are going to chop some spinach up. We don't need that much. Let's do that. Close up. So that's like the feeling. We did. Yeah, Capri Sun.
Hey guys, where's my cookie show?
I'll put that in the video. What the heck is Jasper doing? So I'm gonna grab some garlic. I prefer fresh garlic over the, like the, I don't know, the can of garlic that's already chopped up for you. I prefer like actual garlic. Tastes better, in my opinion. You gotta make sure you're cutting it up super fine because you don't want a big chunk of garlic. I really love garlic, but not that much. To bite in a big old chunk. So good. And then the recipe calls for fresh Parmesan cheese, but I don't have fresh Parmesan cheese, so we're gonna use mozzarella, and we'll be fine. The first time I made this, I was measuring out everything, but now I know that you don't really need to. So I lined my pan with foil for easy cleanup, and then I'm gonna take this avocado oil and I'm going to drizzle a little bit on here. There we go. And I already have my chicken pre-washed and everything, because we had chicken the other night, and this is our leftover chicken. So what you have to do is you have to kind of split the chicken in the middle. You could buy them like this, but you could also make them if you don't have it or you can't find any. So you kind of just butterfly it. If I could do it, you guys could do it too. Just open it up. Don't cut it all the way through because we're going to stuff it and then close it. So just do that. And some people take off the skin. I think I'm going to leave the skin on today because I like the skin. Okay, so you want to put about that much in. You don't want to put too much, because then it will overflow and just burn to your pan. So just kind of stuff it, and now we're going to season the chicken up. Okay, so I seasoned the chicken. So I'm going to tell you guys the secret to having the best seasoned food if you have trouble with that. So you need seasoning salt, garlic salt, that's the oven, lemon pepper, and just regular pepper. And your food will be tasting good. And then I'm just gonna put these in the oven for about 20 minutes and check on them. So yeah, looking good. Oh my god, this looks so good. So dinner was really good, so good. I will make that again. So I'm gonna leave the recipe I used in the description box below so you guys can try it out. It is bomb. And usually they tell you to take off the skin, but I like the skin on it, so I left it on, and it was so good. And I added some onions in the pan when it was baking, so that was another thing I did, and it was super good. So you guys should try it out. I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoy these style of videos. I'm going to be trying to post a lot more. Hopefully I get more comfortable. I'm still getting used to like talking in public. I don't really talk in public, and I don't really talk like around my family. So I mean, I usually film my videos by myself. So there's something in my toast, has some pepper. But yeah, I don't normally, I don't know, film videos around people usually, so it makes me a little nervous, but I'm gonna get used to it if I keep posting and keep trying, and it'll just come easier and easier. So let me know if you guys like this type of videos. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys like my hair. Hopefully you don't get mad I keep touching it. I'm not used to this straight hair. Those are curly hair. I'm not used to this straight hair. But yeah, okay, bye.